Meeting is recorded. Okay. This class is very short but technical. Please let us very focus with this section. But if you get this one right, it will help you in your designing. So let's watch closely. Let's say our first color here, primary color here should be blue. So come to where there's blue here. You understand? You can take any shade of blue you want. Please watch out. Then I want this other color here to be white. You can see I clean this, then I'm going to white. White is always at the top. Yeah, this white. But this is what you notice. Look at this white property here. Let me take this one down. This white property here is on 0%. That means it does not really have effect. So if I put it on, maybe let me use black so that you will get to understand better. Let me click here and use black. So see, you know what I'm talking about. So if I'm using black here, but it does not have effect because it is transparent. It is meant to blend each other. Do we get? So now let me make this one 60. Do we see? Regardless of the color ratio or the opacity, it has to blend each other. Let me make it 90. Do you understand? That's how it works. Do we get? But for now, this is what we want to do. Let me take it to white. So let me take it to white and let me take this to 20. Okay, and then I want to arrange the position of my color. You understand? Taking to the side. So you can take it to any side. You can decide to bring this one to here. Sorry. See my mouse. Then take this one here. Depending on what you want to achieve, I can take this one up and take this one down. So if you notice, my first color is on 100%. I can decide to make it 20 or if I want to fade it to. You understand? So this particularly is used for login or landing page if you want to create an interactive landing page or a sales funnel. So we're not done yet. I'm just showing us how it works and how it could be used. Okay. I'm just keep showing us. So let me put it this angle and let me keep here. So now, because my white here, let me make this white. Okay, let me make it 10. Yes. So it's not really showing. Sorry, that's it. But if you notice, this angle here is not actually coming up. I mean this pattern here. So this is what we do. Is what we call the outline, which is just like outline, right? So we just come down here. Provide some book, or you can call it stroke, but mainly for general purpose, I just outline it because not everybody that understood stroke. You click on the stroke, you understand. But the point is, what will make your work different from regular designer? People that do that, they just they just see that opportunity, but they don't know what they are doing, right? So because if you let me check it out, I can see there's black. Black is contradicting the background of what you have here. The next thing you do, you just click on it, come back to the stroke. Okay. Stroke, make it multi-car. Let's make it 3. Right? It's getting there. All right. So click on it again. Come back to the stroke. Then change its color to the primary color. This is on stroke, which is this. We want to make the outline have this, the same color. We want this outline to have the same design of this. So you come to gradient. You understand? So the same effect is applied to it. You understand? So for you to get your take it the angle at which the former one was. Sorry. Then take this one back. So to make things work for you, if your main diagram is on, if this one, the tick section is on 100, then you interchange it to each other in the sense that the outline or the stroke will be a reverse of the background. So before that, let's take this. Let's change the color. I can pick the color from here. Pick a color. Okay, I'll pick the color. Then this other one here is white. So I'll just pick white. Do you understand? But in this part, my white is going to be 100. Then my blue here is going to be 10. Right? Which means that, so I need to turn this back to where there's this blue. Sorry. You need to understand better as time goes on. So do we get this now? Do you understand what we did here?
You go back a bit from that stroke side.
From what?
From that stroke side.
From the stroke side.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the stroke side is similar. We did similar stuff to what we did to this, the main background. Just that we change it oppositely. You understand? So if you notice on the main diagram, the blue was here, the white was here. But on the, what's it called? On the stroke, the blue was here, the white was here. The reason is because if you put the white and white here, it will, it will go with the design and then it will be off. You understand? So we need something to bring it up. There's another thing we need to do here, which is we're not done yet though. So there's another effect here that we need to do. When you click on this effect, you can have your shadow that you will pop it up again. You understand? But that's not where we are going to. Let's take it down. Okay. So if you don't want it, close it here and close your effect from here and on it. You understand? If you want it inner or outer, you understand? If inner shadow, outer shadow, you want to blur your this thing. You understand? This is what we're going to be blurring this. You understand? When you click blur, when you come here, you can increase your blur to like 20. Do you understand? Let's make it 45. Let's make it 5. Do you understand? I think that's much. Let me make this. Please look carefully what I'm doing. It's very simple, but it can help as well. So what this means is every image that comes under this can go back, can go beyond it. Do you understand? Do we get? This is one set of design. Let me try to bring an image in so we get to understand better. Minutes. Do we see the effect? Naturally, this is not the way. This is not. I'm going to bring the picture in again and show us how the picture looks without placing it on the. Sorry. Oh, okay. I'm going to show us what the picture looks like. So this is what we use this in terms of introduction of a product. Do we see how sharp this image is compared to this blur effect that we did here? It's the same image. Let me bring it up again for us. Just imagine you want to sell this apartment or you want to sell this product and you do not want this, because funny enough is that you are going to put text on this. The concept of designing is your work should not be, fighting each other. So let's put a text on this. Let's get a text by the property now. You understand? Let me increase the size so you get to understand what I'm doing. Okay, the size is, let me use 96. You understand? And then okay, the color. Okay, what is okay? Let me change the font. Before we take font. Okay, I think this is stick. Good. So now the effect is on this because it is under the background we created. Let us speed it up. Okay, let me reduce font size. Reduce. Do you understand? So now you can, the main reason why this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to place it on this same other image. So we'll see the difference. This is, those are the things that is going to make you a bit different from a roadside designer. And just let me put it here. And you see the difference, right? You get. Now, the idea here is if you have a product as a sign-up page or a landing page, you understand, you want people to see what you are selling behind, and then we want them to go to the text directly. But the text is going to show them, will give them an insight of what's on the ground, what's below, what the product is all about. This is a perfect landing page you need to do, because I saw some of your designs that a lot of people did some design. They were just putting image. I know they tried their best, but the best way to do that is to use this blur effect. And doing that, that was what I explained. Now, do you understand? So looking at this, the background is this other one, the background is very sharp and the text is very sharp. So when you are done doing it, you see that they'll be fighting each other. And then the person that is reading it might be, a bit pissed off, and then it's not eye appealing. Compared to this, that okay, there's a background and then there's an house there that you want to buy the property, but it's not affecting your eye. And then you can see the text boldly, and then you can get the apartment. You can try to understand what that is all about. You understand? So that is based on the assignment I saw, and I said I should quickly correct that for. It's very technical, and then if there's any question that you have for me, there's just 2 questions, and then let me before move to the next one. Yeah, thank you. Just 2.
Please, sorry, I didn't understand how you get the blur stuff, the blur house.
This thing, the typing, that it came out well after the blowing.
Okay, good. Is that the 2 questions? Okay, so the blurring is an effect. It's called a proposed effect, and it's mainly used for landing page. You understand? Product landing page and then sign up page once in a while, but not all though. But if you're trying to create a landing page where people go there to see products, see before they know, okay, this is what I'm doing, right? So the first thing you do here is just after, these are layers. If you check this now, this is under this. This by me is on top of this layer here. So if I bring this by me here inside this, it's going to be below, it's going to be under. Do you understand?
Okay. Okay.
Do you understand? If you go see
Yeah.
that, so I'm taking it outside the layer because this layer it has an effect, which is the blur effect.
Of course.
You understand? So I'm taking it outside. You can see
Oh,
clearly.
on top
So
of the frame.
on top of the layer, exactly. So when you're done, you can now merge them together uh, as a
Group.
property. Do you understand? So the effect here, you know how we mix color together. You understand? Just
Yes.
imagine.
From cadence going
Yes,
to
I understand that one.
So that's it. You understand how we mix color? You can see both the color and everything has to blend together. The reason why UI and graphics is different is because there's a lot of elements that you need to understand because you are working your major design is on screen, not on print. You understand? And then it's not and UI is not a full colored representation. It's more of getting the idea and interpreting it the best. So this blur, let me go back so that we can understand the blur again. Then the blur, basically, after getting your background and your outline, after doing this, then you just come to this effect. Let me edit, let me remove the effect you see now. You can see that the building is sharp. You see how the text is on the building. It does not make sense. So I've kept the effect. Now, when you come here, you see different kind of effects. Do you want inner shadow, drop shadow, layer shadow, background shadow?
How did you do
Do you understand? So what I did was I click on layer blur. I want to blur it away. Then this is how to reduce. See, this is on 10. If I want to get it more blur, maybe I want to do 30. You understand? You understand? But does it make sense?
Please
Then
repeat that part again.
which part?
The one you just explained when you talk about the layout.
Yeah, save it for me.
Layout. I don't get.
maybe he's
Should it,
talking of flow where you make it a deeper.
Yeah.
this right? This layer right?
Yes.
When you click on layer now, right? Okay, let me cancel it so that you see. Close it. That means I've closed the layer, right? So let me open it. That means I want to activate it. I open the layer, right? So I can come here to adjust. You use the number that you want here. If it is too blur, you want to raise the blur, reduce your ratio. 5, you can see clearer. But I prefer this 10. If this is too sharp for you, can you make it 15? Depending on what you want. You understand? But if you want this effect, just come here and close it. Do you get? So I say I should just correct us. For some of us that did that last week, we can work on that. And if you feel like you don't want to put any effect or just want to do it like that, so cool. Right. So the last question, please, before I move to the next one.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
No, just yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I really did not understand the beginning though.
That means
I'm
you came
sorry.
late. Yeah.
Can I ask
So
a question, sir?
go ahead.
Okay, I understand everything. But
Okay.
my own is, you know where you put the blow? You know it has a background there before.
Okay.
Are you saying the background and the picture look alike or like what I'm trying to say is that when I wanted to do my design, I was trying to remove the background of the picture that was originally in the picture. You understand? Is there a way someone can do that? That it should just hold on or hold on to the background of the frame we are using? That is my question.
I'm not clear with that question.
You didn't get it?
No.
Okay, I said like this example you did for us now. I
Yeah.
understood everything. I understand them. But what I'm trying to ask now is that, you know, to some extent, maybe because you didn't enlarge it, in the house, the property on the this thing way. Because for me, I don't think the colors are of the same. I'm thinking like blue, green color and ordinary blue, which is that of the house. So how is it that we can do it that like the house home will match up with the background color?
It's very simple now. That's where you have your color. That's where you have your color, what's it called? Your color picker. So for instance now, okay, let me not put this effect. Let me take the effect out. I'm coming, let me explain that for you so that,
Thank you, sir.
so let me take the effect out now, right? So if I want to use this background, this house color here like this, okay, I want to change this color. Let me use black. So I'll just come pick it color from here and I'll pick black. Do you see? So that's the color of the house. So let me go back.
Okay,
So
okay.
let me now add. So let me now add my block color now. You now see. I've not added block effect. Effect to it. So everything is doable. Just know what you're doing right. Because I don't know. I felt like I never knew that I'm going to use this image. You know, the best color to use to do any design is the blue color. And then, you know, there are different, blue has the highest fade of colors. So, you know.
So if it is the other blue that is on top on the sky, I can use that one.
You can pick you can pick anything you want to use. That's why the picker is here for you to pick. Let me pick the blue again. Let me use blue. That blue is on top. This is my picker here. I'm going to the picker. They need to pick it for me. Do you understand?
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
So that's it. So let me take this out and then let me go 1 minute so that we can do something else. So I believe we can do our sign up, our login page now. Everybody should know how to do. Everybody should be able to do our sign and login page. I'm very sure of that now because so part of what we've been doing now, we're putting it side by side. So I want to do basic landing page for everybody. What landing page basically talks about, landing page could be the web page of a website or a product. The landing page can be where it consists different tabs like your home, about us, what's it called again? Contact us, blah, blah, blah. Do you understand? I believe we know that the home page is different from other pages because the home page should carry the basic information where your product, where your client or your prospect see, or your product or basic information about your product. Okay. So to do that, based on the stuff you've been taught, so go to your frame and pick what's it called? Let me pick this. So let me increase. So let me delete this. I'm picking the frame for the screen we want to build. I believe you understood what I'm doing at the moment. Okay.
Yes, sir. You said landing page or landing page?
Landing page.
Okay.
You understand? So these are the things that we need to do. I think the first day of this class, I asked everybody to get a business in their mind, right?
Business idea in our mind.
Yeah, man. So the next thing is, have you come up with the solution in terms of how you want it to look, either on mobile phone or desktop phone? So that are the things we're trying to do. So now this is just I'm doing this because of the crash of thing we'll be doing. So there's a lot of stuff we'll be doing. We'll be building different kind of website. So I'm taking my time to show us all these small notifications. So by the time I'm designing fully, I might not have time to be going back or forth. Because if we get all these small, alignments, so when we are designing fully, so I won't like also be going back and be coming forward. So you understand? So that's why I'm taking my time to, let us understand this basic so that you'll be comfortable doing some stuff yourself. And if I'm moving, and I'll be moving fast. So that the purpose of this is we should be able to design a full mobile app, both responsive and then web version and Android version. So those are the purpose. So after today's class, we should just please let us work on our ideas again. So I have what I'll be working on. So I'll use my design as a guide for you. You understand? But we can do one for general class, so everybody, will be doing it, and then you repeat the same thing and send to the group chat. Okay, so that's that. So moving on. Then, okay, this is it. Let's draw our, normal format table. Okay, so the background, start with fade white, I guess. Okay. So, fade white. So that will be yours. We look forward. Okay. Don't forget your logo will be here. Yeah. Your logo position. Don't forget this part. Logo positioning. Logo. Let me make this white. That will be yours. Logo positioning. So if you want this header showing us, so let's make this other word be black. Yeah.
Please, sir, I just joined the class, so I don't know what you are doing right now. Please, sir.
Hey, welcome to when after the class, there's going to be a link that you need to join because you came late. Yes,
Oh, okay. This is not the right link.
This what? Come again. What do you say? Okay. This let's duplicate this so that's very easy for us.
So is there any difference between this and CorelDRAW? I think it's almost the same thing you do in CorelDRAW now.
It's totally different, bro.
And please, I have a question. That place you put logo, is it that we're supposed to import our logos and put it there?
Yeah, this is just a template that is going to guide us for our assignment.
Okay.
So it's just a template.
So I have tried to join the WhatsApp link since last week. It was just loaded. I don't know how you can help me out.
Can you text the
Sorry, can you
organizer?
ask your questions after the class? Sorry.
Sure. Please let us continue looking at what I'm doing. I believe with what I've just done now, I've not done anything strange to us because I believe we should understand this. Okay. So then maybe the next thing is my slider, my picture slider. Let me say I want a big.
If I say you're not stupid, I lied. Why this guy go do me like this?
Jesus. Please kindly mute your mic. I use God beg
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Okay. Let's say these are pictures like that. Like image. Image. So we can have image here. You get. Then we can have like 2 to 3 images here. So to know you can use. I'm going to introduce us to this website. It's called Remix Icon. Remix Icon. So it's where to get icons for different kind of attributes. So for instance, if I want an arrow, can come here, you can see different arrows. So I'm going to show us. So this is for buildings. You can see buildings icons for businesses, email, you understand, ads, pie charts, customer service, you
Remix
understand.
icon is used for what?
You said
Remix icon is used for what, sir?
they are icons that are meant to represent a function.
Okay.
Don't you understand? So they are just icons.
Where do you go that you see those icons?
I said, look at your screen. Remy's icon. You understand? So
Please, I suggest that everybody should just please put off their mic and let the man teach. You're confusing us, please.
please let's meet our mics. Thank you guys.
It's not, just let him teach, please.
So the communications, for in case you want communication like text and so on and so forth, they are there. For designs, maybe painting, you need a brush, you need the scissors, you understand? So you come here to get them. You need any shape design, you need any development, if you need a mouse, or if you need a device, a laptop, you understand? So there's a lot of information here. They're actually free. You understand? So, if you are building a card, maybe you need to put a card on something. So there are card here, maybe e-commerce, you see basket for e-commerce, come here and pick it. You need a dollar sign or a naira sign, everything is here. In case you are building an health, solution, these are health, icons, same as logos. These are companies' logos, Facebook, Instagram. If you need them, come here and pick it. You understand? All this work with Figma, Twitter, new Twitter logo, and so on and so forth. But for today, based on this is where we are. So because we will be uploading more than 2 images here. There are 2 options to do that. Is either you come here and press arrow. So see different kind of or next. Okay, good. Let me use this. Copy. You can see I'm copying SVG. You can download too, depending on how you want it. Then you come here, you paste it, Control V. Do you understand? So it means that okay, maybe this should be here, or depending on where you want to put it, so you can increase it the way you like. I'm sorry. Increase, press your shift key down. Then one thing here is very crucial, because this thing is not from this area, is not from this software here. We can draw it, but it's going to take time. So because it is a frame, it has its own frame. We need to group it so that this frame is going to leave its body. Then you can now decide to give it a color. So immediately you ungroup it, the frame will disappear. You understand? So you can now give it color. Let me give it color so you understand better. Let me give it what color should I give? Let me give it this red color though. So you understand? So let's do the same thing. So instead of us going back to copy the other side, so we can go back and copy the other side. This is it here. This is it here. You understand, bro? Instead of doing that, we can duplicate this. Control D. Then you just With your hand. By this one, this is 80. Sorry, 0 degree. Just make it 180. Do you understand? Just adjust it. Just opposite side. Which means that when somebody come here, they can click left, right. That's one way of doing it. Another pattern of doing it is very simple. This is option 1. Another option is, click on your eclipse and just draw the circle that shows that, okay. Oh, okay, let me give it, where's my eclipse? If your image is lost, click on the outside here. Let's give you white. Okay. So let me add this to first. So let me add it. So it will be okay. Let's do 3 so that we get 2. Okay. Okay. I believe we should have seen something like this before, where we go to a website and the image will keep flipping. The one that has the image, let's give it a stroke. It's a border stroke that is thicker, that that this is active. You can see. So when what this one means that this particular slide, though, this is where it is now. So when the image comes back here, so this arrow here, this stroke here will move to this other one. So if it's in the middle to go, that is how it will go. So you can have multiple images. Is either you use this pattern or you use this other pattern. Anyone that you think that it works for you. You understand? So let's continue with this. Okay. So the next thing, maybe give me 1 minute. So I can adjust my, what is it called? So let me adjust this down a bit. So choose 0. I choose the small frame. Let me check my height. Maybe I can include, let me increase to maybe 128.280. Yeah. So what I did there was just I just increased the height of my frame. You understand? So in case you have other stuff, nothing more, I just increase the height of my frame. So let's say we are into shared, and then maybe your landing page talks about, as different products. Let me see, let's use this rectangle for the product. And before that, maybe there should be a title for any image. Don't forget that title that speaks. So maybe new updates. Sorry, new updates. Again. So let's say these are new product update. Let me say product updates, and then so in this part, so we can do the effects that we did the other time. The effects where your product will be there. Let me copy those. Let me copy so that I need the post time again. This effect that we did before. So I'm going to explain something to us now. So let me tell you, let me show you this effect still remains. You can see that the effect still remains incoming. Let's just tell me if it will be. I don't want to start creating effects, right? To not take our time, right? So let me reduce this. You get okay 1 minute. So let me reduce this. Well, the best part of this, if you know the frame of your designs of your, it's better to use this angle here to just fix the size there automatically to go. You get that's the best part. Though. Yeah. So let me say that sample. So now you can see the effect is on it already now. The first to remain. Okay. Let me increase. Okay. Then a text can come on now on this because now naturally if you put a text on that image, it will be a bit busy and then by now. Let me put that. You can see even the by now is even blurred because it's under the effect. You understand? So let me make it white. So you have to know how to arrange so that your work won't be that bad. As you can see, is on the let me change the okay. So now good. So let me not take it above the effect. You understand? So by now, then you can now put your price, your action price should always be on red. Maybe the price. This effect it's very hard. It's very so let me take it above it so that you understand. So don't forget to use every element that you have. It's very powerful for you, right? My radius, let me make it 20. Oh, sorry, 20. You understand? So you can have this by now. Just sample. You understand? I'm just giving you, and you can work on this as maybe what's it called? Give it an effect to shadow effect. You understand something like that. And you can even make this one, even this rectangle that is by now to be the combined colors of what we did. Just sample. So just imagine you have lots, more posts is coming. But the last part of this is the filter. Incoming the filter, right? So which is very key too. The basic information on that filter, we need to very concerned with that. You understand? So those are the basics. So major information you see on filter, major basic, maybe the logo information, maybe the company name, maybe like company name is by now. Now assuming the company name is by now, right? So it should be there. Then maybe copyright ads. You understand? Let's see, copy which year? Let me see, 2023. Those are the basic information. Then if it is designed by somebody or a company, you understand, you fix it here. Like designed by, let me see, design, not by you, just put hyphen, then you put your name, so any other thing, maybe you want to put other stuff like about us, any information. So out of this, You can decide to put maybe your about us or your home or your gallery, or you decide to put your, your recent posts, depending. But these are the basic things that you need to be there. You understand? If you want to have customer care service and so on and so forth, so you can add them here. You understand? Just few, but not more detailed. See, let me quickly explain this for you. So this is just like a website, a showcasing website where people come and see the basic information. You understand? Which talks about the logo. Obviously, a company should have a logo, Then you have different tabs that goes to different actions that you do in terms of home, about us, contact us, buy now, product, and so on and so forth. And I assume that, okay, I want people to understand different products I have. For instance, maybe you're into buying and selling. Your first slide can come with your shoe, second come with clothes. You understand? So this will come with a relative of every brand. So imagine maybe you put a what's it called, a shoe here, then you put on somebody that is wearing your shoe and say, just put a nice buy now or something attractive to them. You understand? So those are the things that I want you to be thinking of in case you are doing your own assignment. You understand? Then the next thing here, the next phase here is just like your update. You understand? Maybe you have a new product. You get, okay, buy new product, next product that will be up and so on and so forth. She will get. So then, this could be as long as how many. So then, sorry, let me add this because it's very key. Because homepage are majorly, they're actually long. It's not, what I want to do is very simple, but it's very key. Not everybody, and that is one of the things that people look out for. This is called the scroll section. So you understand. So many designers don't forget that. So the scroll section is very key. Please let us do that. It's part of the UX. So that is some websites do not have the scroll section anymore. They have options. This first option, I'm going to show us another option again. Let me just put this one. Let me put this. Let me put this right. So that it will be easy and obvious. So let me put it. Come in. I'm going to explain what I did. I'm going to explain. Let me put this on 20. I'm going to explain this stroke. And put the other one on black. Let me say that one. Yeah. Okay, good. So now what this one enable us to do is enable us to move from up to down. This first option. I think there are three options there that we have currently. So you choose anyone that you feel like to use. That's one. Another one is where you see an arrow. Let me go to this and check for the right one. Oh, good. I think something like this, up and down. Let me copy this. Copy. Yeah, that part, yeah. Instead of drawing the arrow, just put paste. So don't forget to frame it. Frame it. Good. You understand? You can increase it if you want. You understand? You see, just press a shift key down and drag it diagonally. Yeah. That's one. Come down, just duplicate it. The way I explain how to change it to 180 degree. So that it will be opposite each other, 180 degree. Instead of you going and downloading another one again. You get, just take it down. You get. So that's another pattern. Let's stick with this two first. let's take this to pattern. Some good on this. Do you understand? So that's that. So those the major thing you look at is how easy to navigate and how easy and how simple the site is. Those are the basic information. It's nice, it's good to have a nice design, it's good to have a, but if you have a nice design, people will have bad experience about it. So it's not actually good. That's where the work is. That is why you're different from a random graphic designer that uses CorelDRAW or Photoshop alone. You understand? So a lot needs to be involved as a product designer. The product is on you, and then you need to get it done. You understand? So the companies are, relying on your skill set to get this done. So regarding this information, and then what I want us to do. So I believe with this, you should be able to work on yourself and develop a nice landing page, and you send it to the group as well. All right. So let me explain for the last time. This is a landing page. It could be an home page. It could be any other page. But I would advise you to do a home page, which is a landing page. All right. So basic tabs, they are very functional. Home, forget about me writing home, just an example. Home, you can put about us, contact us, property. Just put it in that your idea. You understand? Then you decide to put an image. It's going to speak well about the product. Then you update and information. And then the footer should be there. So please, I want to see these assignments before next week. And please, if you have any question regarding my discussion for today and what we've done before, kindly ask. Please, if you are just coming and you're asking questions that we've talked about, and it will be nice taking us back. But regardless of what you've seen and then any question you want to ask, kindly do so. So let me explain so that we can work on our assignment.
I have a question.
No, sir. No, sir.
Please, what did you do to the navigation arrow that you just created before you now add the one you copied from Remy's icon?
I went to this square button here. I drew a line. The first line serves as a background of my stroke button. You can see that's the first thing I did. Then I make sure I give it a radius 20. What radius does is it enables you to curve it. Then I went back again. I drew another one inside that. This is what people will be strolling. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I understand it. I understand what you did. What I'm saying, I'm not seeing it. It's no longer visible. That is what I'm saying.
Yes, I hide it now. I hide it. Do you understand?
Oh,
Yeah, this is
okay.
I hide it. See, if I want you to bring it up again, see, I hide it. Do you understand? Actually, I did. So that I can bring the other one I did.
Okay, thank you.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question.
We work together.
Please, I want to ask, like, if you have an image and you already drew your rectangle, how can you automatically make that image the same size with your rectangle without using your
Okay,
mouse?
so let me quickly do that. I think I have that in mind. Thank you for doing that. Let me use this so that it's every time I'm using square. Let's do what's it called, circle, and then let me bring in one picture in. It's called the clip art effect. So you are clip arting it inside your shape. Let me bring this image. Okay. So very careful in doing this. Is very careful. One thing is make sure you, not you, really. Make sure your picture is above the image you want to, you understand? There is my shape here. You right click, you hold your shift key down, you hold your shift key down, then you right click. Do you understand? Then you use as a mask. You understand? So then you now adjust it. You now bring your you adjust it, you bring it inside your shape. Do you understand? That's how it's done.
Please come again, sir, so that we can get it, please.
Okay. Let me do it again one more time. Okay, so this is the shape of the image I have. And so this is the shape I wanted to insert this picture in. You get. So the first thing you need to do is bring in your picture. Make sure it is on the shape. Make sure it's on the shape. Then hold the other shape down. Right click. Use as a mask. You understand? So obviously that picture will have gone inside. You just go double click. When you double click it, then you can able to move your picture inside your shape. When you are done,
Yes, sir. Is there any way you can drop a shadow on it, like the shadow of the background?
Sure, you can drop anything. You can draw anything you want to. Just when you are done, group your section together. So you can move it once. That's fine. Sorry, that's my house. Sorry. Move the two together. Just group them together. You get some of them. You can do anything you want to. It's, your effect is there. When you put your effect, you see shadow. The shadow is there already. So that's that. So that can be
like Facebook or WhatsApp. There's a way that when we tap on an icon, it changes to another page. So now we're using this, you're just designing it. Assuming you want to do something like this, we didn't need programming for us to like tap on one home button to change us to another screen.
No, don't worry. That is the tools and that is the UX. You understand? So currently we want to do the design first.
Okay.
Yes. So,
thank you.
You're welcome. So I believe there's no other question for today.
I have a question. I was waiting for every other person. That this last part that you put copyright, buy now copyright. You use the Mac Air frame. So you added this part to it down, but it's not inside the Mac Air frame. It's outside. So if somebody's opening it on the system, is it going to still show everything?
It is. It's under the Mac Air. See, that's why the scroll section is there. Sometimes just like the way I'm going up and down now. Do you understand?
Yes.
That's it. You understand? So that's just it. So nothing. You can see my scroll section on your screen now on this side.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. It's still under the MacBook. Okay. What I did was I increased the height of it. See, normally this is negative sign. That is, I increased 76 something on it. You understand? So that's it. So I believe I was able to answer everyone in case you have questions. So I wanted us to, your assignment today, basically just everybody are going to look for your website that has, I don't want you to do a lot. I want us to get this. Just starting. So look for something that has similar stuff like this that will not give you more stress. Or you'll be able to do everything that was being taught. It's either you want to do the effect or you want to do the clip art one, anyone that that is going to be very cool for you, right? So those are the things that I want us to work with. So let's go on any website.
Recorded video.
Yeah, the admin is recording it already. So
What is your assignment?
Sorry, sir. Can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
Sorry, sir. The parts where you included buy now, could you please explain a little bit how you added that shadow? I knew you put the house there, then you added a color to the face of that building. How did you do it? That you can still see the building and still see the color you added.
Yeah, so that was what we did in the first. That means we came late. You joined late, right?
Not coming.
Yes, I joined late too. Please, I can't even figure out anything I made, please.
Even me, I joined late also. Please, oh, you can reverse again.
Apologies, sir. Please, that thing is very
Except
important.
if we have the recorded video, no
The video
problem.
is there already now.
There's a recording video. The session is being recorded already. So let me confirm.
Sir, I was in the class when you taught that part, but I don't understand how you grouped it together and made it blurry.
Control G.
That's for grouping. After highlighting everything you want.
Sir, you said Control G.
I did not mention Control G, but you were right. I wasn't going to say Control G. But for now, shortcut is not advisable. Everybody here is a learner, and that's, learning is process, and I don't like jumping, right? We have to take it. Shortcut is, when you are into what you are doing. So I don't want to miss up things for you guys. So if you want to group things together, easy step is click on any of these 2 or 3 stuff, then right click, simple, and you see what group section. That's as simple as that. There's no any other stuff than that. So Control G can work, but I do not advise shortcut at the moment. See again. So just do it the simple way for now. There's an advanced stuff. So yeah, the way I did this effect is very simple, and I'm going to do it once now. Please, if you're not here, just try to grab it now. I'm going to do it once. I won't repeat myself. Like, you understand? Thank you for that. So I choose my angle. Then I do not want to use a single color, so I want to change it to multiple colors. So for instance, I want to use red and white. I don't want to use what's it called, blue and white again. I go to my gradient, right? Then I choose, I put in the position I want my color to be, position I want it to be. Yeah. So then the white, I make sure I click on the white part and I give it 10. Then I click, this one should be on 100, normal 100. Okay, so the next thing I did was to add what's it called, stroke is which is called outline, or that person anyway. So I increase it to 3. You can put it as any you want. You can do 5. Let me do 5 here. So, right, but this is not what I want. I want it to blend inside of that. So you click on the shape, go to what's it called, the same linear. So this part now, I want it to be adjacent to yourself. So this part was red before, then this part should be white. White, this part should be red. Okay, so now let me make this white color, and let me make this red. You get, so I will make my red 100, and my white 100 rather. Sorry, don't mind me. Then I'll make this will remain 100. You understand? I think I'm done. That's one. The reason why is so that the white won't fade out. You understand? So the next thing here is I want to add an effect, basically, which is the blur effect. I'm going to come here, then come here to adjust your blur section. So here is on 4. I think we used 10 last time. So it has a blur. So anywhere I put this thing is going to blur the image beneath it. So if I put it that is here, you can see it's going to blur, and it's going to enable me to add text which is going to be very effective. Not like I'm just putting a blur. I don't know. I'm just putting a red background. Do you understand? So it's going to be very transparent so that people can see what is under it. Compared to, let me not draw a normal rectangle and let me add a red color. And let me not use the opacity. You see the effect now. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, let me not put it like 20. It won't be as effective as this. Compare them together. Do you understand? That was why this one, if you check on this background here, this background image here is still sharp. But if I bring this other one here, the background image here looks blurry because this is a blurry effect. This other one is a blurry effect, but it still make your work come out well. You understand? So the essence of designing is not how maybe how the design appeals to people. That's the purpose of design. It's not just maybe how to mix color or choose color. If you know how to choose color, fantastic. But after that, there are more to it where people need to be able to enjoy what you design. You understand? So actually, mind you, this is not design that it's just like a structural sample of what I'm expecting you to do. You understand? Because I'm here to guide you on your next design. That's the best way you can learn, because if I keep designing from you so you might not get to understand better. So I think I'm able to explain that better for you. Right?
Thank you.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Questions? Yeah, go ahead.
Please, I still don't understand how you put that picture inside that circle, that ellipse.
Which one? How I put this picture inside the circle?
Yes. I don't get it. Because I tried it. It's not even giving me the answer I want, like the way you did it.
Okay. The first thing you do, you draw your shape. After drawing your shape, you import your image. Before you do anything, make sure your image is at the edge, or let me use this word, is on top of the shape you drew. You understand? Then click to those two images and right click. When you right click them, you see use as mask. Finish. When you use as mask, then you position your image inside your shape very well. It's as simple as that. Do you understand now?
Yes, thank you.
These are simple. It's not.
But I'm trying to click the two images, not working.
It should work, man. It should. I just did that to you guys. Okay, let me do it for the last time.
Hold control and click the other one.
Let me do it for the last time again. Please watch carefully. This is my image that I drew. Let me go and bring in pictures. Just one picture. Let me bring this picture in here. So, if you notice, my picture is on my shape. Then I right click. I click the two pictures together. Then I right click, use as a mask.
So you are
yes. Then I want to bring this picture on. See, that's it. I'm bringing the picture.
Okay.
I'm bringing the picture inside. I'm bringing the picture inside, so I can adjust it the way I want. Do you understand? That's the reason why your picture should be above your shape. So that's it. So I'll expect our assignment next week. There's a lot to learn, but your assignment will speak well about the next step we move, so that we can make sure your design comes from your ideas in terms of the assignment that asks you guys to the business idea asks you guys to work with. So if there's no any other question, I think we are done for today.
Please, no, please. That place that you took the icon from. Please, can you show us how to download the icon again? Because I'm not getting it.
Okay. One, I don't think you can use your mobile phone to do that, right? Go to remixicon.com. So if you want to choose any image, maybe like, okay, arrow. So see, you can copy. And they are giving you options where you can use them. So you can use them on Figma, use them on Sketch, use them on SD, Adobe Illustrator, and so on and so forth. So you can download them. You can download them as picture, but it's easy to just copy. When you come a copy, then you paste. You just paste Ctrl V. So it's there already. So it's easier. This is here. So this is what we just copied. So that's it. You use it like that.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I believe you understood.
Now I get the cycle thing. I've done it again. It's okay.
Okay. It's just
Sir, when you were downloading the image, I saw something YG something. What does that one stand for? If you don't want to download as PNG.
If you don't want to download as PNG, SVG.
Yes, SYG.
SVG is just like PNG 2 that does not have background. It does not have background, so
okay.
Just like a format.
So please, can you scroll down? There's that side.
Yeah?
Can you please scroll down?
So that
I can see the part there.
You can see what?
The home page access.
Okay, the home page access. Okay, let me minimize this. I can share yours the screen. I shared the screen last week, so we can check the screen for our classes. Let me share it to the group again so that we can check that. Okay. Jesus. We would have viewed this thing. Let me try to share it. What is it hanging? Let me take this thing up. Okay. Copy link. I'll show you to the group chat again so you can see everything. Okay. So you can have sent the link. I've shared the link again. Okay. So you can get that. So you can see everything. You can zoom it to your own taste. That's just a guide, not a perfect design. It's a guide. Okay. So it's going to guide us on our design stuff as well. So I think that's all right. Are we good?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So please, I'll be expecting your designs. I actually appreciate you guys for your last assignment. It was actually cool. Actually, like, please always your assignment will tell your story journey. Always keep your links. Always keep your links. You understand? So in case you are lucky to meet somebody that you do UI, okay, what have you done? Even if it's your landing page, show them that you did it. It goes a long way. Okay. So thank you guys for joining.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you guys. I'll be expecting your assignment next week.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. I believe you guys learned something.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. We have to redo this one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, please, before you go, I have a question. If you want to start another design, like you don't want to design in this box, you want to start another design. How do you start? How do you start a fresh page?
Control.
Okay, so you just, who is that person using control? Please don't. This is very. We are beginners here, please. I just go beg you. I know you know it. Just leave us that way that we're just starting.
Thank
Please.
you. Leave us. So.
Please, thank you.
Sorry,
So
I'm sorry.
click on draft.
Okay, sir.
It will load to another page.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Do you understand? Please,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Control, please pardon us. We are just coming up.
I will stop my computer. Sorry.
Yeah,
thank you, sir.
So the assignment, are we creating something very similar to this?
You know, I told everybody to come up with a business idea. You know,
Okay.
just we are building it small. We are building the idea small. We are building it. So those are the basic things. So you do your assignment and you build your own based on your own project.
I will not lie to you. I'm trying to do that. This thing is not working. This thing is not all working.
What was not working?
That clicking this thing together for it to show those things. It's not working on my own. I've been trying it since. It's not working.
You know what? I will after this class, I would upload you to just when the video is uploaded, the link will be shared, and they just go back and watch carefully. Everything is.
How did you get the draft?
Please, another question though. My problem is that when I'm designing, the design will just be moving everywhere, and I can't find it. As if my screen is too big or the box is too big. It just keeps moving.
You just control. You reduce your size, like the zoom. Like if you are lost of your designs, you just come here. See, look at this screen here. You understand?
Yes.
You just zoom out. It's smaller. Zoom out again until you get your screen. Zoom out.
Okay. Yes.
You understand?
So where did you get the draft? The draft from?
The draft is from here. See, look at my mouse.
Beside him.
Oh, okay.
That's where the draft is.
Sir, after pressing on that draft, it won't do anything to the one we've done before. Like cancel it off.
No. It will still be there now. Look at this now. Look at it. The one we have before is still there. You can have it there. You can see what job I've been doing before. You can see a lot of them.
Okay.
The draft means I want to do an
after working, you press Control Save or what? Or we just leave it?
Automatically to save it is access to personal cloud. You don't need to just leave it there.
Now, most of us had problems with downloading image from iClip because when you download, it comes with the background.
No, it does not come with the background.
Watermark.
It does not.
It said that it has a transparent background from the beginning.
It does not have background.
But it did. Some of them did come with the watermark.
I'm not sure that is. iClip is iClip art. iClip iClip art.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
iClipart.com. If it is on this place, no background.
And I saw you can only download one image a day.
Not on this app. This one you can download millions of pictures a day.
iClipart. Okay.
So instead of draft, mine is showing Steam project instead of draft.
No, it should be draft.
Mine is draft too.
Sorry, sir. The work you've done on Figma, is there any how that you can copy everything and put it in apps like CorelDRAW or so?
CorelDRAW, how? I don't understand.
I'm asking, for instance, now the work you've done. If you want to send somebody, maybe you need just like you want to send someone using laptop. Can you import a work you've done, just like what we did now, to send it to CorelDRAW, then work on it?
You cannot put it on CorelDRAW, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it's totally.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, for the last time, can you help us import design from this iClip art?
Okay, woman. The user is talking. Let's take okay, you can see there's no background on it. Just download. We are done download it also.
Okay.
So please, I have an observation.
Okay, go ahead.
I noticed that
I'll be doing my design on not on drafts, on team projects. Is there
it has
there
to
any-
be fine. Team project is good. So where you can add people to your project, you get, but make sure it's on drafts.
So what do I do? Is there a
But
way I
how
can
can you change
transfer
it
it
to
to
draft?
drafts?
You have to open another. See now, open, and then let me quickly see open design. Just click on design. You understand? You just click on design files. So like now, yeah, I have project files here. I have my personal one. So let me go back. Yeah, I've downloaded that image already. So let me click on draft. So I will show you the project I'm on. I'm on what is it called? I've downloaded it already, so I'll import it soon.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so just please right. Okay, sorry. What was it called here? Then place image.
Yeah. Okay, it's the same way. Okay.
Download. Go to download files. Then this is it here. Then you can see now. There's no background here. Is there background?
Okay.
That's all. So as you can see here, by this side here, click on it. You see, make sure that you are not on your team. Don't be your team work. These are teams work. These are teamwork. Ethereum Nigeria developer teamwork. Or Jami, these are teamwork. Make sure you are on draft. When you're on draft, then you now click on design files. So at least I would love you guys to, let me
But
move.
what about the work, the previous assignments we've done now? Is there a way I can transfer it from
you might redo it
teamwork?
again. You might redo
I have
it
to
again.
redesign again.
You might, so that it will
Can you print? Can I print any design? Like print it out.
It's not a print design. It's called a digital design.
It's called what?
They are screen designs.
Okay.
So thank you guys for joining us today.
Just one
last question, please. Thank you.
Okay, concerning the image that you just did now, the one that has an eclipse, I don't know. Is there any means that you have to put the
I did not get that your question, bro.
Concerning that image here, the one that has an eclipse, the one that will be scrolling, the one that you can scroll, you get to scroll.
The one what?
The one that you get to scroll, where you insert the eclipse. I don't know. Is there any means that you have to make the background blur again, just like using the background that we initially?
So sorry, I don't understand your question. Please let me understand.
Saying if you can blur after merging your eclipse and your image, if you can blur the whole thing so that your text written on it can.
You can provided you can do anything. Anything.
Hello, sir. Sir, please, when are you sharing? When are you sending this class this thing? So that while starting my assignment, I can also go back on it.
When the video is uploaded, it will be shared.
Okay, thank you.
You can make it.
Thank you, guys.
One last question, please.
I'm asking.
Okay, please, for those that were unable to submit the last assignments, hope there's no problem. Can we both submit the last one and this new one together for next week?
The assignment, basically, this is not where I'm going to hold you, because the point is, the end is my goal, right? But for me to know that, okay, I taught you, there should be a process. You understand? So if you for your good, I'll advise you do all assignments. Do it diligently. I'm very serious. Because at the end of the day, if a project is given to you and there is a flop, it means that you've not been doing your assignment and you might not get certificates that might be required. You understand? So if you
All
like
right,
do,
thank
I don't do. My own is I know where to catch people that do and do. I won't tell you now. You understand? It's up to you. But make
All
sure
right,
you do.
thank you very much, sir.
Make sure you do. No, it's going to help you. It's going to show your progress. I started from here. Is where I am now.
Congratulations.
Well, bye now. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Well done, Mr.
Thank you. God bless you.
Olumide. Have a wonderful week, everyone. Thank
Thank you, sir. Good night, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful week.
Come through, come through.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate